So you're a hairdresser now, right?
Yes, I own my own shop.
Married?
Not yet. I mean, not anymore.
Oh, sometimes those things just don't work out.
Harry and I could have made it work, but we were just such different people. I mean, I want to be a stay-at-home wife, shop and cook and make love.
Oh, really?
Yes, I believe the man is king. I mean, take you for example. When you come home, you should be able to relax, and you spend all day saving lives.
I'm a dentist.
You're saving mouths. Helen must be so proud.
Yeah, actually, I don't think she is.
Oh, I don't believe that.
You know, she left me. We're getting a divorce.
Oh my God! What a shock!
Yeah, it's been rough.
I'm so sorry. Does Helen know what she's missing?
Maybe it's not her fault. Maybe I failed her.
Oh, I can't believe that. I don't think you could fail anyone.
Then why do I feel so lousy?
Because you're alone. You need someone who cares. Someone who understands. Someone who flosses.
Oh, Dot, I feel better just talking to you. You're a very special lady. Spit?
If you ever need anyone to talk to, I'm here.
Really? How about tonight for dinner?
Really? I don't know what to say.
How about yes?
Yes!
Oh, that's great. I'll pick you up around 8. I can tell we'll be spending a lot of time together.
Really?
Absolutely. Your mouth is a mess. I count 6 cavities at least.
Huh?
Oh, Dot, I'm so glad you came in today.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, and this is just the beginning. Open wide.
Oh, shit!